In this video, I'll show you a few solutions if the hood of your Toyota is not closing. So if there is a gap and even if you push down, nothing is happening, there's still a space over there, well, I'll show you what to do. Before starting, I suggest you check the cable release to see if it's attached properly, because sometimes it can get loose like this. And the latch won't work if it's not attached properly. You know, sometimes it's like this. You see there's a small indentation there. Just make sure that on the side it's attached to this metal piece over there. Okay, if it's staying firmly in place. Another thing to check is if you look from the top, you're gonna see two springs, a bigger one here and one lower there. It's a bit smaller. Make sure that both of these springs are still attached. Okay, so the small one over there, just push a bit on them. If you see that it's loose, you'll have to remove the whole hood latch and attach them manually. You see, this is where they're attached. Over there for the big one, and the smaller one, it has a small hole there that is staying. And it has a small hole as well on the other side. So make sure those are in place. By the way, to remove the hood latch, you need to remove this bolt over here. It's a 10 millimeters, this one, and this one. There are 3 in total. Another thing you can do is to take a screwdriver like this one. It's a pretty thin one. And we will need to push the locking mechanism just to see if it's working properly, because maybe this is the problem. So to do this, you see there is this metal part over here that we need to push down so it goes into lock mode. Right now it's open. So we'll have to put a pressure there. You can do it this way from the front of the car, but I prefer doing it the other way since it's easier. So you just have to push it down. It's obviously easy if you have 2 hands to do it. Now, right now I'm holding my phone, so it's a bit hard. But with 2 hands, you're gonna do it in 5 seconds. Alright, it worked. So now it's in the lock position. You see, it's staying there. All you have to do now is to go inside the car and release the hood latch. You can do this 2 times, 3 times. You can even put some WD-40 on the hood latch to lubricate if it has corrosion, like mine has. And now it's time to put the hood back. Don't smash it, just lower it and then with your hand push it down and you should fix the problem. It should stay locked now. You can test it out with your fingers, try to pry it, and you're done. In case nothing worked, you can always replace the hood latch or the hood cable if it's corroded. On eBay, you can find them under $30, $40. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment, a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.